Bye. Thank you. Thanks, man. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this and share with you how my experience with it is like. You know, I've heard about some rumors about its usability, so I really want to find out about it for myself. So, but what started this was I realized that there was no stock at all when it was launched. The delivery times was like 3 to 4 weeks for any of the colors. There are 4 colors, by the way. You have the Baltic Blue, you have California Poppy, which is the color that I actually like, and Saddle Brown, which is this color, and you also have the black one. But you know, so yesterday I was just going through the Apple Store app, and I just thumbed through, and I realized that yes, the brown version is available, and you can collect deliveries in December. But the best part was you can collect in Apple Orchard Road. So I went ahead and booked, and that's history. And I made a pickup in the afternoon after I made an order in the morning. So just want to show you again the availability. You can see now on Apple's website, Apple Store app, nothing is available. The delivery times are in December 2nd. And there is no pickup available for all colors. Let me thumb through all of them. Yep, still nothing available. So I was very fortunate in a way to have gotten my hands on that. So I want to share with you now how it looks like, and I'm going to open this for the first time. All right. Well, first thoughts, it feels pretty much and smells like nice leather. Really. And there is a cutout at the back. I assume it's for you to push out the cards. Yes, so you can take out the cards. They actually have a version. I heard that you can actually put in about 3 to 4 cards. So I'm gonna try it out later with a couple of cards that I have. And now with the phone, let's have a look. Okay, it's okay. One thing I noticed, it doesn't really align that well. Okay, now it's probably in the middle and it's aligned, but it's quite easy to dislodge. And the thing I heard from most people was that it can get dislodged when you put the whole phone with the wallet back in your pocket, and it just drops out. And this can be dangerous, and it may defeat the purpose of having the wallet at the back. But it does really look quite nice on it. The only thing I wish is that it would have been stronger, like what most of them would have preferred. But it's nice. I think it goes well with this color. If it's gonna be the California Poppy, it would have been even nicer. So again, inside the box you will have a couple of the cards. In fact, just a slip of paper here. Nothing much to it. And that's it. No stickers here. And that's it for the box or whatever is inside. Again, back to the wallet itself. I can't see whether you can appreciate this guy here, but it does still look quite nice. It feels nice. And let's try and see how many cards can I put it in. So I will try with 2 of my credit cards, my EasyLink card, and my Safra card. Okay, let's have a look. Now let's put in 2 cards. At least you have to add 2 cards in, right? Okay, 2 cards, no problem. Now we have the 3rd card going in. Okay, I think 3rd card is about 4th card. No, it's getting a bit too tight now. Well, it's still possible, but I think it's a bit too tight for 3rd card, 4th card. So 3 cards are possibly the maximum, and let's see how it holds up on the phone. Again, looks quite okay. Feels sturdy. Actually, it feels okay. Let's see if I were to put in the pocket, how does it feel? Yeah. Pulling in and out. I think you have to be a bit more mindful and careful. Like if you want to remove your cards, just remove this guy, slot it out, and there you have it. The cards will be out to be able for you to use. Alright, that's my first thoughts. I think it's something that is interesting. So the only thing I would try out is on a daily basis, if it's going to be that usable, will it like dislodge out? That's one thing, you don't want that to happen for your wallet. And yeah, maybe you should try it out yourself, and hope this little video helps you to see how it looks like on the phone. And yep, see you in the next video then.